So today is Thursday, 28th of September, and we are going to pick up the camera. What is that, my love? Sony A7 version 4.
A7 version 4.
Yeah.
The mirrorless full frame camera.
It's beautiful sunflower in abandoned place. Wow. And my husband is driving now.
Number 81. Now they find my package.
Det er jo til dig, ja, også, ja. Så skal du købe en label.
Og så man kan ikke bare strege over og skæmme til.
Nej, vores bror, de kan simpelthen have penge for at gå med vej.
Okay.
Ja.
Det er bare så jeg krydser ud og kommer til det.
Ja.
Ja.
Så,
Okay.
så det kan jeg ikke løbe på nettet og købe en eller andet.
Kan man ikke købe en?
Nej, det er John Jørgensen.
Ja.
Ja.
Hej, hej.
That is so big.
There's a free bag, and the free SD card, and the free battery.
Wow. Oh my God. Ay po. I'm so surprised about the size of the box. Just like yesterday, we got a big box. Now you can open it.
I don't understand.
Oh, we have some papers here. Let's see, just take this up. It's just something for the mail. It's just something for the mail. From the mail. Let's see here. And here. Ta-da. And here. This one, maybe it's important to step down. I cannot see my. Sådan. No, never mind. These are the one you know.
Happy birthday, my love.
This is the fun part about getting packages. Oh.
Yeah.
over here. Let us see more of this. Never mind. There is some free gifts in here. A bag, a photo bag. Løve Pro comes for free over there. And an extra battery, also for free. Comes extra, we put here. And something here, an SD card. SanDisk SD 64 gigabyte. It's also good. And then in here, what is that? Brand new, still sealed from Sony. So it has not been opened since he was packed at Sony's place. Now, we will see again. This is a special piece of paper. Now the seal is broken. Also an English plug and a European plug. Nice. Something in here, I don't know what this is, we'll check later. Lots of reading stuff. And now the funny parts. The belt, A7 IV.
Wow.
And here, the little more expensive parts. First, we have the lens. Okay. We put here. And here, oops. Wow.
Wow.
The Sony A7. Wow, so cool.
Wow.
The last thing in here is, I think, the battery. And it's good battery now. It can take more than 300 pictures in the best quality in one charge. Here, and the last thing, what is this? We find out. We put all this back here because maybe it has to be packed one time. So all the things that belong. Sådan. And this one. And this was the unpacking of the Sony A7 IV. Thank you very much. So, no more, my love.
Okay.
It is unpacked.
I turned them up now.
Yes. Oh, we can put this in also.